Hey, what's up? I'm Scott, and today we've got an unboxing, or I guess you could say unbagging, of a brand new bag from Wotancraft. This is called the Scout, and it is their brand new bag. I haven't looked at it yet. We're going to take it out of the bag. You don't need to see the box. And we're going to take a quick kind of introductory look at the bag's design and features, and then I'm going to take a few weeks with it to actually use it in my day-to-day carry, and I'll come back at you with a full in-depth review. But for today, let's stick around and check out a first look of the Scout. All right, so like I said, I was throwing away trash in my house, so I took it out of the box and brought it with me here as I was running out of the house this morning, but I haven't taken the bag out of this bag yet, so this is my first look and kind of first reaction slash introduction. All the Wotancraft bags I've used come in this bag, and I use these bags not with the camera bag, but separately, so it's kind of a nice little extra that you get. But I do love my Wotancraft bag, so I'm excited to see this new one here. Oh, and they sent me black, thank you. I love the black bags that they have. So this is it. You can see it's almost like a messenger style size and shape. It's a little bit square, that's the back side. We've got nice leather and metal accessories all around. On the front here, you've got these two button straps. This is similar to the Trooper, I believe, which I reviewed a while back. It's held up very well over the years. It gets better with age, honestly. You've got two pockets under there, so let's open this up. And that just flaps back. This is a light flap, but you can open that up and you've got the strap hidden under there for now. And this strap is perhaps not identical, maybe it is identical, more or less to the strap from the Trooper, which I loved. It's got a really nice, grippy and comfortable shoulder strap here in the middle. Really a rugged, heavy-duty strap with these nice, heavy-duty leather and metal clips at the end. You can remove it, of course, just like that. And all of, again, the connections on the bag side as well are all leather and metal. This is solid, and it's made again from their Cordura, I don't know, fabric, which is really a nice weather-resistant material. Again, I've been using their bags for years, and they look brand new. They are really nice. I'm gonna stop saying that. On the front, you've got, looks like a couple of smaller pockets with, yep, just button snaps, and those will hold filters or camera batteries, or probably even a small monitor if you wanted to put that out here, maybe a little less protected. These are not padded, but you could put a lot of little extras in there. Even lens caps, as you take them off, you can toss them in there. So that's nice to have. On the bottom corners, you've got this nice leather protection here, so when you put this down outside, that'll give the bag itself a little bit more protection from dirt and maybe wetness and whatnot, but it doesn't go all the way across. There does seem to be some pretty significant padding down there, though. Even from the outside, I can tell just by looking at and feeling that, so should be very protective. On the back side, we've got this through, whatever you call it, to slide this on top of a rolling bag, luggage or a camera case, for example. And then you've got the zipper, which is kind of hidden away again for weather proofing, not necessarily proofing, I guess, but weather resistance. That zipper, the open end of the zipper, is hidden under this little flap. YKK zippers, it seems like a really nice quality zipper. And then you could slide an iPad or something small in there. I often put like my color checker passport in these back pockets, so that's nice to have. Got the nice little leather touch on the top here, stylistically. But let's get inside the exciting part of this bag. Now on the top, there are two zippers. There's a zipper in the front and then a zipper in the back. Both of them, again, have that, it looks weather resistant, kind of covered zipper design, YKK zipper design. And in the front section, you've got a typical Wotancraft bag. And it opens pretty wide. It has these, I don't know what you would technically call that, type of opening here, that it doesn't just fall open, so your gear is not just going to fall out, which is always a good thing, but it opens pretty wide, so you should have a pretty good grab at whatever you've got in there. And you've got two dividers, two folding dividers that can really fold into different shapes to put a lens under, fold it down over that, and then I'm not sure how well you can see that, it's not the full review. And then you could put something else on top of there. I like these dividers, really good, useful dividers. And you've got a section in the back there for a laptop, probably not too big. I'll have to check how much can fit in here. but I actually do also have one extra divider hidden away in there. So it comes with 3 dividers, I guess. One of these kind of half-size dividers, which is still a kind of multi-directional folding design. And then you've also got these other 2 with flaps on the top that can kind of fold over and cover what you have under there, allowing you kind of 2 levels of storage. So a lot of organization you could do in such a little bag. And these are all wicked nice quality with really good material on there that is for this really kind of micro Velcro. I forget what exactly it's called, but it's not like your typical Velcro. It's like a micro Velcro, for the lack of a better word. But it doesn't really mess up the material. It stays fresh and new for a long time, but at the same time it's also really grippy. I've really liked this Velcro and this material that they have on the inside of their bags. Again, I know now after years of using their bags that this does stand the test of time. So little touches like that really have always impressed me with their bags. But it seems like that's about it for this section. There's no additional pockets or zippers or anything on the inside, except for the inside of that little tablet or computer flap in the back. The rest of the inside of this is all covered with that Velcro material. So if you have any of their other modules that you can put in here for lens caps, for batteries, for all kinds of stuff. They have tons of those modules. As long as the size fits with whatever you put in here, you could use that on the inside of these bags as well. And if you're curious, it seems that this back flap for a laptop doesn't come out. Some of their other bags have inserts that you can put in. They actually have, I think, 2 different style inserts for making a space in the back of your bag for laptops or tablets. This one doesn't come out, but if you don't use it, it's just adding that little extra layer of protection against the back of the bag for your cameras, so it really doesn't take away anything from the bag. Again, in the full review, I'll show you exactly how much can fit in here. I use full frame cameras. Sony cameras, they're mirrorless, so a little bit smaller than like a DSLR, but we'll see how much you can fit in here in terms of cameras and lenses in that full review. And let's check out this rear zipper for now. That's actually just access to the same compartment, but that rear zipper is kind of centered over that back laptop or tablet sleeve section. So if you do have a computer or a tablet in there, and that's all you want to grab out of your bag, you don't have to open up and unflap that entire front section, exposing your camera gear either visually or literally. You could just slip out your tablet or computer right from the back there. So they have access dedicated specifically for that, which is pretty cool. Again, if you're traveling somewhere, you might not always want to open your bag wide and show everybody all of the camera gear that you have in your bag. So you can still get stuff that you might need on a more casual basis without having that exposed. I guess that's a little kind of safety touch. I don't know if that was their intention, but I think it works as that as well. So very good looking bag. I'm excited to start using this. I like how compact it is, close to your body. It feels like the kind of bag that I would definitely want to use day to day. I don't like big bulky bags, but I do like bags that can hold a lot and have a decent amount of organization. Especially paired with, again, their modules, you could really step up the organization inside this bag too, which is the great thing about Wotancraft bags. It's simple inside to begin with, but you can complicate it as much as you want with those add-ons. And it's the same story here. So good looking bag. Thank you again for sending me a black one to check out. But if you want to see more of my actual impressions and thoughts and nitpicky complaints probably after having used this for a while, stick around and I'll post a full in-depth review in just a couple of weeks. For now, if you have any questions or comments or things you want to see in the meantime, things that I could test out before making that review, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.